open wide, because AI is about to take a look. Dentistry is one of the most hands-on professions in the world. For centuries, only a trained human could peer into your mouth, diagnose decay, and fix it. But artificial intelligence is advancing at a staggering pace. So the question we must ask honestly is, will AI replace dentists? Let's break it down. Let's be honest, AI is already here, and it's doing some dental work frighteningly well. AI systems like Vidya Health and Denti.ai can read dental X-rays with greater accuracy than many human dentists. They detect cavities, bone loss, and early signs of oral cancer in seconds. Appointment scheduling, billing, insurance claims, and patient follow-ups all being automated. AI-powered treatment planning tools now suggest procedures based on thousands of historical cases. And robotic dental systems, already trialed in China, can carry out implant placements with sub-millimeter precision. So yes, a significant portion of what a dentist does today can be, or already is being, handled by AI. So how can dentists stay ahead? The answer lies in leaning into what AI simply cannot replicate. First, specialize. Oral surgeons, periodontists, and orthodontists performing complex multistage procedures are far harder to automate. Second, embrace AI as a co-pilot. Dentists who use AI diagnostics to enhance their decisions will outperform those who ignore it. Third, become the human connection. Patients are scared. They need empathy, reassurance, and trust. No robot has ever calmed a nervous 6-year-old in a dental chair. Fourth, move into clinical leadership, research, or AI tool development within dentistry. The dentists who help build these systems will shape the future and profit from it. Will dentistry be obsolete by 2030? The short answer is no. But it will be radically different. The World Economic Forum estimates that while AI will displace millions of jobs by 2030, healthcare roles requiring physical dexterity and emotional intelligence remain among the most resilient. What will change is this: dentists who refuse to adapt, who ignore AI diagnostics, who don't reskill, will find themselves squeezed out. But dentists who evolve, who blend technical mastery with AI fluency, will actually thrive. Their practices will be faster, more accurate, and more profitable than ever. 2030 isn't the end of dentistry. It's the beginning of a smarter version of it. Dentistry will not disappear. But the dentist who ignores AI will. The future belongs to those who pick up the drill and the data. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe, because we're covering every profession AI is set to transform. You don't want to miss what's coming next.